Welcome to a sanctuary where harmony meets innovation, a Japanese modern minimalist Zen home designed for those who believe that calmness and cleanliness create true luxury. Every line, every material, every detail is crafted to evoke serenity. And at the heart of its immaculate living environment stands one silent hero, an advanced steam cleaning machine that preserves purity without effort. Stay with us as we explore a lifestyle shaped by mindful living and flawless cleanliness.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
Our journey begins at the facade, a sculptural blend of white concrete, cedar wood, and expansive glass. The pathway invites you with stepping stones over a tranquil rock garden, framed by tall bamboo whispering in the breeze. Warm ambient lighting deepens the sense of refinement. Yet what truly elevates this elegance is the unseen power behind pristine surfaces, a modern steam machine ready to erase dust, smudges, and the ordinary. This is where function greets beauty and defines a new level of organization and purity. What lies behind these serene walls? We step into an open living room where light dances across tatami textures and low wooden seating. Shoji doors shift seamlessly, shaping spaces with silence. Every surface is spotless, because the steam machine keeps carpets sanitized, and wood grains gleam naturally without chemicals. The clean scent of simplicity fills the air. Here, technology doesn't dominate, it quietly supports a peaceful existence. How does Zen translate into restful luxury upstairs? The master bedroom embraces minimalist tranquility, low bed frame, linen sheets in soft neutrals, and a single bonsai breathing life into stillness. Hidden storage reveals a sleek steam cleaner attachment, maintaining immaculate bedding and allergen-free rest. A room designed not just for sleep, but renewal. Every sunrise begins in newfound clarity. Where does art meet practicality next? This kitchen feels like a modern tea house, streamlined cabinetry, integrated appliances, smooth stone counters reflecting daylight. No clutter, no visual noise. The steam machine stands ready for effortless hygiene, sterilizing surfaces, lifting grease, ensuring purity where nourishment begins. A space where order fuels creativity, and cleanliness becomes a subtle act of care. A new angle of elegance awaits above. Floating above the living room, the mezzanine creates a peaceful loft for reading or quiet reflection. Glass railings keep the view expansive and bright. Even up here, the tradition of purity continues, with a handheld steam nozzle keeping the minimalist structure dust-free and refined. Serenity doesn't settle, it's maintained with intention. Are you ready to enter a Zen spa experience? Inspired by an onsen retreat, the bathroom blends stone, hinoki wood, and gentle moisture in perfect balance. Steam purifies the air and surfaces, assisted by the steam cleaner that eliminates stains and soap marks effortlessly. It's a temple of renewal, where nature and technology work together to refresh the body and mind. Let's step outside to breathe with the garden. The front yard extends the home's mindful identity, a raked gravel garden, moss patches, and koi gliding through reflective water. Clean lines shaped by daily care, supported by steam cleaning for outdoor stone and fixtures. A welcoming balance of discipline and beauty, greeting every visitor with peace. But there's more harmony waiting above the sky. A hidden oasis, a rooftop terrace made for meditation beneath open skies. Bamboo borders sway around cozy seating and wooden decking. The steam machine keeps the deck pristine, removing weathered residue while preserving natural materials. It's a place where clarity and perspective rise together. And now, productivity meets Zen. Designed for focus and flow, the home office pairs tatami comfort with digital efficiency. Largest window views open the mind, while storage stays concealed to maintain calm. The steam machine ensures dust-free order, keeping the workspace as sharp as your thinking. Productivity thrives in purified simplicity. Serenity doesn't end indoors. A small private sanctuary behind the home, fragrant moss garden, stepping stones, and a bamboo water feature providing subtle rhythm. Surfaces are fresh and spotless, maintained by the steam device that cleans stones and outdoor seating with ease. A moment of nature that never feels neglected. This Japanese modern minimalist Zen home is not just a place to live, it's a philosophy built into walls, textures, and routines. A harmony of nature, technology, and mindful design. With the help of a steam cleaning machine, purity becomes effortless, and peace becomes a daily experience. Clean living. Calm living. Zen living.